So here is an unboxing video of the Morfica screen protector for Apple iPod Nano 6th generation. The reason why I said iPhone was because I went out looking for one today and I came back with this for my 6th generation iPod Nano. Yeah. So, yeah, I want to keep that nice and protected. Just cut the packaging open. Okay, let's see what we get inside. I will do a review video of this as well. Okay, inside. Clean cloth to clean your screen. The screen protector there. Screen protector there. A little squeegee type of thing. A nice looking screen protector. Cleaner rather. So, here's my iPod Nano. Here we go. So I'm just going to quickly install this now. Use that, clean the screen up so that it's not dirty. Let me just read the instructions. They give detailed instructions on there. Give your screen a quick wipe with the orange cloth. No, it's black cloth. With the yellow tab, take off plastic backing. Right. Peel me off first. Pretty nice fit. Sugar. Just that back up. Came off slightly. That up a tiny bit. So there we go, screen protector is on. Pretty good job with that. So thank you very much for watching and goodbye.